Today we're going to fix this power bank. Actually we're in the workshop like this now. So we're going to fix this power bank. Our last previous video we fixed smart piece. So today this power bank has an issue. The charging port has really been changed. They've changed the charging port for so long. So this particular spot now cannot hold charging port any longer. So what we want to do now, we want to convert it to USB. To USB where we can be charging it through this point. This one will be connected to the charger. It can be charging while it reads from here, showing you that it is charging. Alright. So that's what we're going to need to do. So this is power bank. This power bank is around 40,000 mAh. So around 40,000 mAh or thereabout. So we're going to fix it today. Alright. So let's go there. This is I pick my signal iron, and this is my positive wire which I've already connected. This is my negative wire. So what I will do now, I will solder this my negative point to the negative side on the charging line, which is this side, where that has the left side. You know, there is what they call 5 lines on the charging port. So the first one and the last one are the positive and the negative. Alright, so I'm going to solder the negative at the right side, while the positive at the left side. Okay, so that thing can charge. So that is just how it's being done. So that is what I'm doing right now. So you can do it yourself. You don't need to go to an engineer and be wasting money. Alright, you can do it yourself. So just get this item done. It's as easy as that. You can do it yourself. 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 So I hope you guys are following. So this is it. So solder the negative point to the negative line on the board. This thing is called board or panel. Alright. So I will get the proper soldering. Alright. The proper soldering. I hope you guys are following. It's very easy. There's no stop wasting your money on it. Do it yourself. It's as easy as that. It's as easy as that. Very easy. Very easy. So now it is soldered now. It is done. Okay. So what we'll do now, we'll do a test run to confirm if what we did is actually working. Alright. So let's do test run.